In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and install the video live stream app using quick action and search. We'll walk through the full process step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the installation is successful. Start on your main dashboard or home screen. We'll begin by clicking on quick action. This is a compact menu or button designed to surface the most common tasks without digging through multiple screens. Depending on your layout, you might see it at the top of the page, along the side panel, or in a toolbar. The goal here is to open the streamlined controls that make navigation faster. From quick action, go to search. You'll typically see a search field or link appear right away, often marked with a magnifying glass icon. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active. This ensures that what you type is captured in the correct field and that suggestions populate in real time. Now, search for video live stream. Type the name carefully to narrow the results. As you type, you may see suggestions. Look for the listing that clearly references video live streaming functionality. If several options appear, focus on the official icon, the publisher name, and a concise description to confirm you found the right app. In some catalogs, you might also see it flagged as recommended or popular, which is a helpful signal you're in the right place. When you spot the correct result, click on it. This opens the app's details page. Take a moment to scan the description, screenshots, and version notes so you know what features to expect. This page often shows compatibility details and any important notices. If you see information about permissions or device requirements, note them now so the install goes smoothly. Next, click on Install App. After you select Install, you may be prompted to confirm or accept standard permissions. Review them and proceed if they align with your expectations. Keep your internet connection stable while the download runs and avoid closing the window. You should see a progress indicator. Once the installation completes, the status will switch to installed, and many systems will change the button to open or launch, indicating the app is ready for use whenever you need it. If the app doesn't appear in results, double check your spelling, try a simpler keyword like live stream, or make sure you're viewing the correct catalog or region. If install is grayed out, you might need to free storage space or complete pending updates. And that's it. You clicked quick action, went to search, found video live stream, opened its details, and